What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about the K&F Concept bag. So I purchased this with my own money, so they do not have a say of anything on here. But before I begin, actually it did come with a rain cover for the bag, even though this is water resistant, which is pretty nice, just to protect your gear. And it also has